In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Twilio with HubSpot. This integration allows you to streamline your communication process by sending and receiving SMS directly from your HubSpot account, making customer interaction more seamless than ever before. To kick things off, open your preferred web browser and perform a quick search for HubSpot CRM. This will guide you to HubSpot's official website, which provides the necessary tools for this integration. Once your search results load, look for the option that mentions HubSpot CRM software and click on it. This action takes you to the HubSpot CRM page, an indispensable tool for businesses aiming to manage customer relationships effectively and efficiently. On this page, you'll want to select the Get Started Free button. HubSpot offers a free tier, which is perfect if you're trying out this integration for the first time. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with HubSpot's features without any financial commitment. Next, log into your HubSpot account, or if you don't possess one yet, you can easily create a new account. If you're already a user, simply enter your credentials and log in. Once logged in, you'll notice a button labeled Continue with this user. Click it to proceed with this user profile within the HubSpot environment. After you've successfully logged in, you may be prompted to select an existing account within HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot, you might have to create an account at this point. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue with this account. Now that your HubSpot setup is ready, it's time to navigate to the HubSpot Marketplace. You can find this option within your HubSpot dashboard. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. This is your go-to section for discovering integrations with a variety of third-party applications. Once you're in the Marketplace, the next step is to search for Twilio. Twilio is a versatile communications platform that offers messaging, voice, and video via its web service APIs. When you find Twilio in the search results, click on it. This will take you to the details page for Twilio in the Marketplace, where you want to click on the Install button to begin the integration process. If you're not logged into Twilio yet, you might be asked to sign in or enter your existing Twilio account information. So go ahead and do that. You have the choice to either sign up for a new Twilio account or log in using your existing credentials. Now head back to HubSpot and within the settings, access the Connected Apps section. Here, you'll specifically look for Twilio. At this juncture, you'll need to enter your Twilio account SID and auth token, which can be found on your Twilio dashboard. After entering these details, be sure to choose a default Twilio phone number from which you will send SMS messages. With this, you've successfully integrated Twilio with HubSpot. You are now equipped to enjoy enhanced communication capabilities, allowing you to send and receive SMS messages directly within the HubSpot ecosystem. This will undoubtedly improve your customer engagement and streamline your communication processes.